Jupiter Dermatology and Hair Restoration welcomes Dr. Luciana Takata Pontes Arruda, a highly experienced Mohs skin cancer and hair transplant surgeon. Dr. Luciana Takata is a board-certified dermatologist and international fellow of the American Academy of Dermatology who has been practicing her craft for over 15 years. She graduated from University of São Paulo Campinas, which is considered by many to be the Harvard of Brazil. Dr. Takata is one of the only dermatologists from Brazil to have completed Mohs Fellowship in Houston, Texas, where she performed over 700 Mohs cases with complex reconstruction flaps and grafts. She founded the first Mohs micrographic surgery service and fellowship program in Campinas, Brazil, teaching dermatologists Mohs surgery. She has published articles on rotation flaps for nasal alar reconstruction. Her cosmetic plastic surgery reconstructions are consistent with the results our patients have come to expect. Dr. Takata specializes in treating complex hair and scalp disorders. She is a member of the International Society of Hair Restoration Surgery and a Diplomate of the American and International Board of Hair Restoration Surgery. She worked in São Paulo at the famous Ruston Clinic for hair transplantation, performing FUE, or follicular unit excisions, to men and women. Dr. Takata has been involved in many book chapters and published articles internationally in prestigious medical journals discussing her FUE technique, eyebrow reconstruction with long hair, management of hair loss in young patients, and corrective work techniques. She has traveled internationally attending and speaking at conferences all over the world on skin cancers and hair loss. She is currently serving on the scientific committee for the ISHRS and as a board examiner for the American Board of Hair Restoration Surgery. She is currently on the ISHRS Pro Bono Committee of Operation Restore, helping patients that have lost their hair to trauma, accidents, or cancers. Her passion for hair is seen in her helping victims of the Amazon, which was published in the Hair Transplant Forum International in 2022. She is the only physician in Florida who obtained a PhD, defending her thesis on strip harvesting follicular unit transplantation versus follicular unit excision. Her groundbreaking research was published in the prestigious Dermatology Surgery Journal in March 2024, which earned her doctorate degree. She joins Dr. Ricardo Mejia, president of the International Society of Hair Restoration, and his team to provide patients with the most cutting-edge advanced treatments for hair loss. Renowned for her exceptional results, Dr. Takata is a sought-after expert in hair transplantation, bringing her expertise from Brazil to Florida. With a unique blend of art and science, she delivers natural-looking, life-changing hair restoration results. Overall, Dr. Takata has the perfect balance of intelligence, ability, and compassion that fits with the trust and care that our family and friends expect from doctors and physician assistants at Jupiter Dermatology and Hair Restoration.